Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you such a beautiful and very amazing, very interesting knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern you can use in jumper, ladies sweater, baby's blanket, for hats, for snows, for blouse. You will knit this pattern for all kinds of knitting products. This is very amazing and this is very wonderful pattern. It looks so nice and so cute pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment. So friends, this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and in order to knit this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 2 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, multiples of 2 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, I cast on 13 stitches on my knitting needles, and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So we knit from right side, and so we slip edge stitch and we purl 1, we purl 1 and knit 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. For last extra stitch, purl 1 and we knit edge stitch. So friends, this way I completed row 1, and now we are going to knit row 2, and for row 2 we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So we slip edge stitch and we knit 1 and purl 1. That's the repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl edge stitch. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we did row 3. For row 3 we knit as row 1. So we slip edge stitch and purl 1, knit 1, 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 purl 1 and knit edge stitch. So friends, row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4, and row 4 we knit as row 2, or we knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. So friends, as you can see, row 4 is complete, and now we will knit row 5, and for row 5 we purl 1 and we will knit from we purl 1 and we draw a loop. We make yarn over and we knit 1. That's the repeat. We purl 1. Now we will knit to this hole. We will knit between purl and knit stitches, and we draw a loop. We make yarn over and we knit on knit stitch. Again purl 1. We draw a loop from this hole. Between this hole we make yarn over, we knit 1 and we knit in the same stitches. Purl 1. We draw a loop, make yarn over and we knit 1 in the same stitches. Purl 1, draw a loop, purl 1, draw a loop, we make yarn over and knit 1. So, and purl extra stitch and we knit edge stitch. So in this way we have completed row 5, and now we knit row 6, and row 6 we slip edge stitch, we knit 1 and we purl 3. So we purl 3 to this increased stitch. Now again we knit 1 and we purl 3. We knit until the end of the row. We knit in the same way until the end of the row. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1 and purl edge stitch. So friends, row 6 is complete. Now we will knit row 7, and for row 7 we slip edge stitch, purl 1 and knit 3. Knit 3. That's the repeat. Purl 1, knit 3. So we will knit until the end of the row. So in this way we will knit until the end of the row. So friends, row 7 is complete. Now we will knit row 8, and row 8 we slip edge stitch for knit 1, and we purl 3 together. We purl 3 stitches together, and we will make 1 stitch. From these 3 stitches we will make 1 stitch. That's the repeat. Now we knit 1 and we make 1 in 3 stitches. We purl 3 stitches together and we make 1. Again knit 1. We purl 3 stitches together and we make 1 stitch. We knit 1 stitch. We purl 3 together. We knit 1 stitch and we purl edge stitch. So friends, in this way I have completed row 8, and as you can see, this is how beautiful looks of this pattern. So this is very beautiful pattern. This is very embossed pattern. You can use this pattern for many knitting items you like. This is suitable for all kinds of knitting products. So I hope you will like the pattern. So friends, I have done only 1 repeat here, and you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 8 rows over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all for good health. So goodbye.